Here we have the Old Town Guide Otter XT. It's a sit-inside kayak. All the reviews on this are 4 or 5 stars. It's an excellent starter kayak. Now this kayak I bought from a guy who's, I think he said his brother-in-law. Well, they really did a number on this kayak. They drilled holes in it and tied a rope to it, and were dragging it around the property. Looked over and saw this one and thought they'd do the same thing with this one. But luckily, they didn't do too much damage to this one before the handle ripped out of it. This is a new handle. So let me show you that real quick. This is my repair. As you can see in these pictures here, the damage was only, I'll have to get a picture of it, but the damage was only like right here. So I put wire mesh all the way around it, and then I sealed it with plastic. And I did the same thing on the inside, which is under the seat. You can't see it. The reason that part got dragged the most is because that's where the seat was sitting, and it was not attached, so all of their weight was on the base. Other than that, I repaired the seat because it has these little tiny membranes, kind of like the Pelican canoe seats have. So the membrane tore, but I went under, as you can see in these pictures here, and I replaced it with PVC plates. I also replaced the torn handles. I put pad eyes on both sides here and here. I would suggest in the future, if you don't feel like using this, put a small eye bolt with washers on it. I don't have any, otherwise that's what I would have done. But run an eye bolt through that hole and it should be more secure than what I put there. I replaced the deck rigging, the paddle strap. I'm adding a paddle to it. So the seat's done, the front's repaired, the bottom's repaired. But yeah, everybody who's given a review on this kayak has given it a 4 or 5 star review. I believe they had a camera mount or something here. I don't know, there's a hole in the middle, like maybe it was a light. I don't know. Maybe they had a little spotlight in there or something. But I was gonna put flush mount rod holders in it, but I thought, what's the point of doing that if somebody buying it just as a recreational kayak? So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and oh, I also did a how-to video on the seat, which I'll link at the end of this video. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.